Hello again. So we are going to continue the next day problem, like 30 March problem. So let's check it out. So the problem called minimum integer. Okay, the title of the problem is minimum integer, and the statement is like they are saying you are given an array A of size n. Let us denote S as the sum of the integers present in the array among the all of the uses array in the array. Find the minimum X as that S lower. Okay, so they are saying that you are given an array of length n. Okay, and what you have to do, you have to calculate the sum of the array. Sum of the element of present in the array is S sum. Okay, after that you have to find a minimum element that you can multiply with the length of the array, and the multiplied value would be greater than equal to S. That is our M. So let's try to solve in Java first. Okay, so here we have to just complete the function called minimum integer. Taking n and array A as argument and return integer type value return, and the expected time complexity is O(n). So just we can use on loop from 0 to n. Okay, so let's start. So what we can do, like we will first calculate the sum. Okay, so let's calculate the sum. So sum can be like, if the array, like you can see here, AI is 1 to 10 to the power 5, that means the sum can be greater than 10 to the power 9, can be 10 to the power 9. So there is no surety that the sum can be stored in a integer type variable. So we are creating a long type integer, like long sum is equal to 0, and we are assigning it to 0. Okay, now we are going to determine the sum of the array. So for sum of the array, for loop from I is equal to 0 to n, I plus plus sum plus is equal to array I. That's it. Okay. For calculating sum of the array. Okay, now we are going to sort the element. Like suppose in the first example, okay, 1 3 2. So for example 3, like A is 1 3 2. Okay, A is 1 3 2. So the sum will be what? The sum, let me do in comment out. Sum will be 1 plus 3 plus 2. That means 6. Okay, and the value of n is 3. That's okay, but we have to calculate sum is less than equal to 3 into something. Okay, so 3 into, first of all, the array is, the first element of the array is 1, then 3, then 1. So let's check for every value. Okay, so for 1, this is wrong statement. Okay, galat. For 3, yeah, this is true, but 3 can't. Let's check with 2. Okay, first let's check with 2. Sum 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. That means this is also true. So the answer will be 2, because 2 is minimum. Both are satisfied the condition, but 2 is minimum. Okay, we have to find the minimum integer. So 2 is minimum, so that is our answer. If we sorted out like ascending order the array, then we will get the element minimum element easily. Now if we sort out, suppose we sort it out. Okay, so what will happen, array will be 1 2 3. Okay, the array will be 1 2 3. Sum is same 6. So first we will be check for this one. Okay, for first of all we'll check for 1, then we'll go to this one and this one after. So for sorted array, when the condition will satisfied for the first time, then we will return the value of array I. Okay, so let's sort the array first. So for sorting, what we will do, arrays, we will use the inbuilt method. Okay, arrays dot sort a, but that's it. After that, again a for loop, int I is equal to 0 to I less than n I plus plus, sorry, I plus plus, and if, okay, if f is less than equal to, sorry, sum is less than equal to array I into what, n, then return array I. That's done, and the integer will expect and return after like the end of the function. So we will return something like return -1, just for formality, cause the int can expect. So that's it. So let's run and compile the code. Run and compile. Let's check there is any problem or not. Okay, so it's running. Okay, so then we'll submit. Okay, so there is a problem. The expected output is and okay, the expected output, okay, so I guess the multiplication is can't store in int, so that might be a problem. So let's convert into long. Okay, now it's okay. Long, again we have to submit. बस इस बार कोई गलती ना हो. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's okay. So this is the code for Java, guys, and again we will write for C++. So let's write here. So long sum is equal to 0, then for loop auto, we can use auto and int also, auto a. Okay, sum plus is equal to s. Done, sum is done. After that, what, sort the array, sort a dot begin comma a dot end. Okay, then again a for loop and s a, if sum is s into n, return s. Okay, let's compile without any return. Okay, primary expression before int, sorry, 4. Yeah, so it's done. Again there is a problem, sorry guys, again long compile. Just run. Okay, so done. So this is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching.